The 2013 F-450 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-450 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, four-wheel drive, dual front grab handles, chrome 2-bar grille, front license plate bracket, black door handles, roof clearance lights, 4-piece floor mat set. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.